Project egi emazireho miliyoni $120 kandi genderire kozesebwa mu kutendeka abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abamashemerona n'abandi kubasa kutungura ebya teknolojiya.
Azejo biogas tekateka neza kuyambana n'abantu abeherire kuja kushomeraho kwetegereza biogas ne manyisaki. Ejo biogas system y'itwaboreka ayemazireho miliyoni $12 Mbizo harimo kuombeka, harimo kugura za generator, za mashini zo kurashinga waste na za biogas bags.
Mwenu project egi egenderira hakukozesa kasasiro ibihatira byasigaro hakuriya okubitaborana n'amashigente na nebyaruga mu toilet then bikarugamo gas.
Kaviji John ojwetsireme ya Robert Kachebezi akutongoza biogas eyombekirwa ba ministry by'amagada asimira abo bona abatirihwaga bo kuranga project egi yakorwa.
I take the honor to appreciate the school management committee and the administration for allowing us as Mbarara City Council to act as our site in this project. We would have brought the idea and rejected. The land would have been used for other purposes. But you allowed us, taking the risk of anything that may have happened to our children.
Kandi nk'ukutwa rambura twareba biogas eriyo nekora abo kwa twashikana mu kiyungu twareba gas uko eriyo neteka konka harimo bwa defects buke mwene twantushaba kugira ngo aba contractors abase kureba uko yakora bwa erazobwe.
Nathan Mugume mukuru wa Mbarara Junior asimira Mbarara City na n'aba ministry ahabwo kubata mu bwesije bakabombekera biogas yishomero.
Project egi neza kutiyamba mu kushomesa kuba biogas is part of our syllabus teaching. Icyakabiri project egi neza kutiyamba mu kucendeza ukwijuru senku nyingi kandi ku zino borofa umwika ati egi project neza kutiyamba kucendeza ugomwika kubasa kuritara abantu kurwara.
But whatever was going on, we are being invited and keeping on monitoring this project. So I want to thank you for the financing of this project 100%. Because I'm made to understand it has cost around 90 plus millions. I don't know what I understand to be.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Fatuma na Gudi.